Awesome. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Letter?
Uh-huh.
Do you know the letter?
That one is
That's the sound, yep.
Uh-huh.
Sound, and the letter is S.
S.
Okay. Do you know that letter?
Mm.
Not quite, hey?
Mm-mm.
It's a U.
U.
Makes a. This one,
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
we don't really know that one yet, do we?
No.
It's a Q.
Q. Yeah.
We'll keep going, though, because you know that one.
Uh-huh.
What's that one?
C.
Yeah.
C for cat.
Because it makes what sound?
C.
But that's not a sat. That's a...
Cat.
So C for...
Cat.
K.
K.
What's that letter?
T.
T. Yeah. Because it makes what sound?
T.
Know that letter?
Mm-hmm.
What's that letter?
K.
Yeah, K. You know that letter?
O.
What's that letter? Makes the sound N. 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 For Nita or nest.
Nest. Yeah.
It's the letter N.
N.
What's that letter?
R.
What's that letter?
E. P. I.
Just whipping through them.
H.
Nice, Reg.
U. C.
It makes, what is that? Do you know what that is?
Vest.
So that's the letter
V. J. Z.
Nice.
M.
I watched your lips. You had the sound. You went like that.
W.
It's a funny one because it's a
Y.
W.
W.
That's a weird one. Okay. Well, they're all weird. Do you want that one?
Oh, look at how many.
You do have a lot. Yep. Do you remember this one? It's a Y.
Yeah, Y. F.
Nice, Reg.
L.
Nice.
G. P. B. A. B.
D.
D. M. X-ray.
What's the letter?
X.
Nice. Look at your pile.
Yeah, I just did the whole
Look at this
thing.
tiny little pile that you don't really know and this big pile that you do.
Yeah.
Cool. We're done. Say bye.
Bye.